The platform I will be showing you today is available worldwide, as you can see, and it will allow you to make $200 and more per single word you type. It may sound impossible, but I will show you people that are making crazy amounts of money in that way, and I will show you how you can replicate their success and earn even more money thanks to a tool I will show you later on. Now, just before we start, if you like this type of content and you'd like to see more, then support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And so you don't miss out on any future videos to come, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications and you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. With all of that said, let's now jump straight into the tutorial so I can show you everything. So, just like you heard in that intro, yes, you can actually make hundreds of dollars per word you type. And that's all done through this website here called squadhelp.com. Now, first things first, what is this site? Well, basically, it's a place where various people who have just started a business and don't have a name for it come to in order to run contests. And whoever wins the contest, whoever has come up with the business name that the owner of the business picked, will literally earn hundreds of dollars. And this is why this site is so fantastic for us to make money online. Even without the tool I will show you later on, if you are creative enough, you can come up with a nice business name and earn some money. But for the vast majority of you, that will not be the case, so please stay tuned and keep watching so you know exactly what you need to do on here, and so you can find out what the tool is that will literally allow you to enter in dozens of different names for businesses in like 20 minutes. Now, with that said, let me show you just how much potential this has, since I did after all tell you that there's a lot of money to be made here. If you hover your mouse over contests here and then over browse and you select recent winners, this will show you the latest winners, or in other words, people who thought of a good business name and got their name picked out by the business owner. Now check this out. While there are some people who have made around $100, you can also see people that have made literally hundreds of dollars per single contest win. The amount of money that can be made here, as you can see, is just crazy. And if you come back over to the homepage and you hover your mouse over contest once again and you select active contest this time, you will see that the current contest that we have can earn you hundreds of dollars, and some people are offering to give as much as $1,000 to the winner. So as you can see, the winners I showed you previously weren't the exception, quite the contrary actually. But as you've probably figured this out by yourselves, guys, there is a lot of competition here. And that, of course, mitigates your chances of getting paid. Albeit you will get paid quite nicely, it's still a problem. And this is why I want you to keep watching, because with the tool I will show you, you will be able to submit names to all of these contests here, all 250 plus of them, and you can do that day after day after day, as there are new contests coming up all the time. And doing just that will ensure that you will win at least one, if not more, of these contests to earn hundreds of dollars, even though you don't have any skills. With all of that said, before I reveal to you the tool in question, you need to create an account on here. And so you want to click on sign up in the upper right corner here. Then on the next page, you want to enter in your first and last names, then your display name, which is basically a username, your email address, your password, which you will then also enter again as confirmation. Then you want to select join as creative or marketplace seller. And finally, click on create account right here. What happens from there is they will ask you to update your profile by entering your street address, where you are from, and so on. And as you have seen in that intro, guys, this platform is available worldwide, so it will most likely work for you no matter what country you're coming from. In any case, now that you have your account on this site, there's something I need to show you. As you can see, you have to invest a tiny sum of money before you can start using it. And before you click off this video, I have an alternative to this platform that is 100% free and that you can use if you don't want to invest any money at all. So please, keep watching. Now, with that said, if you happen to have some money in your pocket, then I would highly recommend you invest it into this site. As you have seen, it has the potential to make you hundreds of bucks, and this is just a one-time payment of $10, which, simply put, isn't a lot of money. But as I said, if you don't want to invest anything, then stay tuned. Anyways, it's now time for me to finally show you the platform that will do all the work for you and that I've mentioned time and time again in this video. That platform is called businessnamegenerator.com. As the name suggests, this will automatically generate various business names for you. And all you need to enter in here in order for it to do so is simply what the business is about. So let's say that you have someone who wants a name for a furniture store. If you type that in, just check out how many different names this site will come up with. And all you literally need to do is scroll down and pick a few of them you think are good. Then come back over to this platform and enter those business names for the contest in question, and then move on to the next one and simply rinse and repeat from there until you have applied for quite a few contests. Then your chances of getting picked are as high as they possibly can be. And just a side note, I highly recommend you open some of these up so you can see what kind of names in particular the customer is looking for, as well as a few other minor details. For example, what the business is about, acceptable domain extensions, the type of business, and here you can see what I mentioned previously, the names this customer likes, and the maximum number of words below, both of which are, of course, important bits of info that you want to use so you come up with a name that has the highest chance of getting you paid. Now, with all of that said and done, as I said before, you do have to invest a tiny amount of money into this website before you can start submitting those names for those contests. Even though, as I said, it's just $10 and you have the potential to earn hundreds. If you either don't want to invest a dime into this or you simply don't have the money, then I have an alternative to this site I would highly recommend. And that alternative is a site called namingforce.com. This site, unlike the previous one, is 100% free. And the reason I didn't show you this one in the first place is because it doesn't have as many contests. But nevertheless, it's still a good choice if you don't want to invest any money at all. What you can also do with this site is use it to make some money that you can then reinvest into the previous platform if you so wish as well. Okay, so those are all the platforms I wanted to show you today, guys. I would highly recommend you use both of the sites I showed you and combine them with the aforementioned tool as you want to submit as many business names for as many contests as possible. You can submit names for 150 contests in a single day, for example. You just need less than 10% of the people to choose your name in particular in order to make hundreds of dollars easily without having any skills. And no matter where you're coming from, as promised. Now, with that said, this is it for today's video, guys. As always, if you liked it and you are enjoying my content, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up below to support my channel. And in case you don't want to miss out on any future videos just like this one, then click on that red subscribe button to turn on the notifications and you'll be notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you all for watching and I'll see you soon.